In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check a recipient account number in Remitly. If you need to confirm the bank account details saved for someone in your Remitly contacts, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Just make sure you're using your own account and that you're checking the information carefully before making any transfer. Since account numbers are sensitive financial details, it's always a good idea to review them in a private place and avoid sharing them with anyone who should not have access. To begin, open your Remitly account. You can do this from the Remitly app or through the platform where you normally manage your transfers. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main account screen so you can easily access your saved recipient information. Next, click on Contacts. This section is where Remitly stores the people or recipients you've previously added. If you send money to more than one person, you may see a list of names or profiles here, so move slowly and select the correct recipient to avoid reviewing or editing the wrong details. From your contacts list, select the specific recipient whose account number you want to check. Open their profile and look for the option to edit their information. Once you find it, click Edit. This area is where Remitly allows you to view and manage the saved details connected to that recipient. After opening the Edit section, you'll be able to check the recipient's account number there. Review the number carefully, especially if you're comparing it with bank information provided by the recipient. It's helpful to double-check each digit to prevent mistakes, because even a small error in an account number could cause problems with a transfer. If you're only checking the number, you don't need to make any changes. Just review the information and then exit once you're done. If you do notice that something looks incorrect, be cautious and confirm the correct details directly with the recipient before updating anything. And that's it. Open your Remitly account, go to Contacts, select the recipient, click Edit, and check the account number in their saved details. It's a quick and useful way to verify recipient information before sending money.